Conjunctions are words that connect sentences or clauses. See how many you know by doing this short quiz. Read the question and try to complete the gap with the correct answer. There are 12 questions. Keep track of your score and check how well you did at the end of the quiz. Good luck. Number 1. Pop round for a coffee whenever you get time. Number 2. Since you don't eat meat, I've cooked a vegetarian dish. Number 3. We were always arguing, so we decided to split up. Number 4. Either you give me a pay rise or I'm quitting my job. Number 5. The burglars broke into our house while we were on holiday. Number 6. I'll lend you the money as long as you pay me back. I'll lend you the money so long as you pay me back. Number 7. He's quite shy, whereas she's very confident. Number 8. Unless you hurry up, we're going to miss the train. Number 9. Both you and I know ghosts don't exist. Number 10. As it was getting late, we decided to take a taxi home. Number 11. He'd lived in that village since he was born. And finally, number 12. Although we called the police, the robber managed to escape.